Hey guys, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download or install the StockX app. Firstly, go to the Play Store or App Store. Here, I'm using the App Store to install the app. Then, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you may see Search. Tap on that. Then, on the search box, search up StockX. Then, under StockX, you may see a cloud-like icon or the Get icon. Tap on that. While the app gets installed, I'd like to tell you more about this app. StockX is an online marketplace that specializes in the buying and selling of new and pre-owned sneakers, streetwears, electronics, and other products. It operates similarly to a stock market where buyers place bids and sellers place asks, and transactions are completed when a bid and ask meet. StockX authenticates all products sold on its platform to ensure their legitimacy, which is particularly important for high-demand items like limited edition sneakers and streetwears. Once the app has successfully been installed, tap on Open. Now you can see the home page of the app. Furthermore, to use the app, you may create or log in your account. This is how you can successfully download the StockX app. If you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.